Most bloggers don't know this. Your sitemap can be perfectly fine. Still, Google will say, couldn't fetch or couldn't be read. And no matter how many times you resubmit it, it just doesn't work. This is exactly what happened with my website. As you can see, this is my sitemap inside Google Search Console. When I click on it, it clearly shows couldn't fetch or couldn't be read. Now, normally people think sitemap is broken, server issue, plugin problem. But in my case, none of that was true. So I checked something deeper. I opened my sitemap link directly in the browser, and it loaded perfectly. Then I opened Inspect tool, went to Network tab, reloaded the sitemap, checked the status code. It was 200. Okay, so technically everything was fine. But still, Google was not able to fetch it, and then I checked the headers. And here's the real problem. There was a header called x-robots-tag Noindex. Now this is very important. If your sitemap has no index in header, Google will simply ignore it, even if everything else is perfect. That's why it shows couldn't fetch. So how to fix this? Very simple. You need to remove this noindex tag. In my case, I fixed it using a simple code. Go to your WordPress dashboard, then Appearance, then Theme File Editor. Here, open functions.php and paste this code. You'll find it in the description below. This code basically removes the xrobots tag from your sitemap. After that, reload your sitemap again and check the headers. Now, the noindex tag should be gone, and as you can see, it's gone. Finally, go back to Google Search Console, remove the old sitemap, and submit it again. Now, one important thing. Even after fixing everything, Google may still show the error for some time. Don't worry. It usually takes up to 24 to 72 hours to update. So yeah, if your sitemap is not fetching, don't panic. Just check for this one thing. x-robots-tag noindex. Fix it, and your problem is solved. If this video helped you, comment your issue below. I reply to everyone, and in the next video, I'll show how to get your blog indexed faster. See you there.